Hi everyone, it's me Sanchari and welcome back to my channel Simply Sanchari. Hope you all are doing well. Today's video is a requested one as many of you have asked me to compare the Mars Drip Lip Mist with Mars Love Track Velvet Lip Tint collection. And if you guys are interested to know an in-depth review about these two products, you will have to refer to my description box. I have provided the link over there. I have done an in-depth review giving the swatches on my bare skin with makeup on, and also I have shown how long lasting it is with wear test and everything. So if you guys are interested, please head on to my description box. Also, I'll try and mention the link over here. And now, without any more further delay, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so let's talk about the Mars Drip Lip Mist. Now these comes in 8 beautiful shades catering to each and every skin tones in India. Especially the brown skin girls are going to benefit out of these 8 shades because it is so beautifully made. It's affordable and under budget. Anyone can get their hands on this product. It retails for rupees 299 each for 4.5 ml of quantity, and it is easily available on each and every e-commerce apps as well as their website. Now let's talk about the formulation. These are water tint, but when you actually apply it, you will feel that it feels like a gel like texture, which is really very comfortable. When you initially apply it, it feels very moist and cooling on the lips, and it feels absolutely lightweight, hydrating, moisturizing as well as nourishing on the lips. It gives you a very beautiful glossy finish which settles down with the time, and after it settles down you get a beautiful satin finish, which I'm all for it. Now you can easily compare this Mars Drip Lip Mist with Roman Juicy Lasting Tint, which I have already compared it side by side in one of my shorts video. If you are interested, please click the link over here on the card section. Now I have noticed that when you apply this initially, it gives you a very even stain all throughout. It even covers my dark pigmented lips very well, and if you have clear lips, you can just go with tiny little amount on the center of your lips, feather it out, and you are done. You will get that beautiful Korean lips, which is really trending these days, you guys. Now I have also noticed that if you are someone who have dark pigmented lips like me, and if you want to layer it once or twice, you can easily do that, but please give some time in between for it to dry down a bit, because if you layer it immediately, it is going to get clumpy and then it is going to bleed from the outer perimeters of the lips, which has happened with me when I was initially trying out this Mars Drip Lip Mist, that it came out from the outer corner of my lips, stained my this area very badly, but I was able to fix it out with a concealer, which is not of a big problem, but I really wanted to warn you guys about this. Now I have noticed that it goes on very smoothly, very easily, and it looks very beautiful on the lips. There is no patchiness, no streakiness whatsoever, but you will have to keep in mind that whenever you are using any kind of lip tints, you will really have to exfoliate your lips pretty well, moisturize, apply a good layer of a lip balm or a lip mask, and then you can apply these kind of lip tints, because if you fail to do so, then it is going to exaggerate all the texture, dry patches, flakiness of the lips, and it is going to make it look worse. And other than that, I would say it has a very beautiful subtle coffee like fragrance, and it is not too overpowering, that settles down with the time and you cannot even sniff the fragrance anymore. I totally love the Mars Drip Lip Mist a lot. It is kind of long lasting. If you're eating any light meals, it is going to stay put, but if you're eating oily meals, it is going to surely make a difference. Like, it does come out from the inner part of my lips, leaving a kind of patchiness. If you want to see how actually it looks before and after, please head on to my in-depth review where I've given all the details. Now talking about the Mars Love Track Velvet Lip Tint collection, it comes in 6 beautiful shades, again catering to each and every skin tones in India, and also it is going to suit each and every brown, richer, deeper, dusky skin tones in India. It retails for rupees 299 each for 2.8 ml of quantity, and you will find the shade name on the face of the inner packaging. The packaging is really very smooth and velvety. Even the doe foot applicator is really cushiony and it hugs the right nooks and corners of the lips. Same is with the Mars Drip Lip Mist. I really love the applicator. It hugs the right nooks and corners of the lips and applies the product really very evenly. This Mars Velvet Lip Tint has a different formulation, you guys. It has no glossiness whatsoever. When you initially apply it, it has that little bit of a satiny finish going on, but once it dries down, it gives you that beautiful sheen, which I am all for it. It is not too matte or not too drying whatsoever. It dries down pretty easily. It is very lightweight, hydrating, and also non-drying and non-sticky too. And also I can say that it applies evenly. It is very much pigmented. I can say it's very highly pigmented. Like in one swipe, it covers your lips really very well. And if you have dark pigmented lips like me, it is going to cover it all just in one go. You do not even need to go with second layer, but because I have to show it on the camera how actually it looks on my dark pigmented lips, I probably go with 1 to 2 layers. It dries down quickly and it does not bleed whatsoever, which is a great thing, you guys. Like, it gives you an even finish, no patchiness, no streakiness whatsoever. I feel that the formulation is different. Other than that, the product is same. It gives you a very beautiful even out lip stain once you remove the top layer of this velvet lip tint. And also it does not contains any fragrance whatsoever, you guys. Yes, I could not sniff any fragrance. And also I noticed that the tint of this velvet lip tint is much more long lasting than the Mars drip lip mist, because I had my oily meals. I have seen that it was still there. It did not turn patchy or streaky by any means. And if I wanted, I can go with a light layer of lip balm to give me that hydrated lips. And with this also, you will have to exfoliate your lips pretty well, because again it is going to exaggerate all the texture of your lips. Now I want to say that if you are seeing me from a distance, you will see that it gives you a very velvety, blurred out kind of finish. It does not settle in your lip lines whatsoever. Same with the Mars drip lip mist. I did not notice any settling in my lip line, exaggerating my lip lines in any ways. None of these two products does that, which I am all for it. And it is just that the formulation is different, and it also depend upon what is your preference. Do you like a glossy finish? If yes, you can go for the drip lip mist. And if you want a very subtle satin sheen going on, you can go for the velvet lip tint. Now I can say both are perfect for your everyday wear or for any of your special occasion. It is very much long lasting, you guys. If you want an in-depth review with the wear test and everything, how actually it looks on my brown skin, I'm NC42 skin, you guys. So you can head on to the description box. I have mentioned the link in over there. Also, I'll try and mention the link on the card section. So it is just about the preference, your mood. Like some days I want to have that glossy finish. Some days I really want to go subtle with my lip tint. So then I can use it. Now I have noticed that if I'm going out, if I leave my hair open with this kind of lip tint, my hair sticks to it. So for those days when I want my hairs to be left open and I don't want my hairs to stick to my lip tint, I can totally use this. So it all depends upon the preference, the occasion, the mood. It all depends upon you guys. After all, you are someone who is going to decide which one is better for you and which one is not. Alright, so this is it for today's comparison video between the Mars Drip Lip Mist and the Mars Velvet Lip Tint. Now, I would highly recommend both of these products to all of you. You can have both of them in your collection and use it as per your preference, mood and occasion. If you do not want to spend $2.99 at the moment, I would highly suggest you waiting for some good discount, and then you can grab it at a good deal whenever you see them on a great discount. I think there will be Republic Day sale happening very soon, so wait for that. Alright, you guys, it's a wrap for today. Hope you found the content helpful and informative. If you did, please take a moment to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button. You can also follow me on my social handles, whose link I have mentioned it in the description box. Please come and say hi, and I will see you soon with my next one. Till then, bye bye. Take care.